Hello everyone, this is the analysis of the legal aptitude portion of the LST Mock Test 8, which was based on the SET pattern, that is the Symbiosis Entrance Test pattern. The section in total had 30 questions, out of which first 15 questions were your legal reasoning questions and next 15 were your legal knowledge based questions. So let's start with the analysis of each of the questions. In this question, there are two principles which talk about the vicarious liability, which says that the employers would be liable vicariously for the negligent act or omission by their employees in the course of employment. The second principle states that for an act to be within the course of employment, it must either be an authorized act or be so connected with the authorized act that it can be considered a mode, although an improper mode of performing it. So in the facts, Shivam is an employee at Aditya's garage, and his duty was that all the vehicles that are coming for repairs, they are properly parked inside the garage premises. Now, he is prohibited from driving any vehicles. One night, he finds that a Mercedes Benz, it was left outside the garage by a careless mechanic, and seeing that there is no help available, Shivam decides to park the car himself, although he is prohibited from parking any vehicles. So when he is moving the car inside, he loses control and rams it in the wall. Now, his authorized act was to see that all the cars are properly parked inside. And in order to fulfill this duty, he did the act of driving the car which he was prohibited from. So he was doing an authorized act, although in an improper mode. He was performing his authorized act in an improper mode. So hence his act was under the course of employment, and if his act was under the course of employment, that means the employer, that is Aditya, he would be held vicariously liable for his negligent act. So therefore, we can say that A is the correct answer, because it says that yes, Aditya can be held as Shivam is acting within the course of his employment.